This video might make you cringe a little bit if you're a hardcore gamer, and it may contain some language. Viewers' discretion and listeners' discretion is strongly advised. Thank you very much, and goodbye. Goedemorgen, people. This is your man Lewis, and oh my gosh, this is like, I made this video back in around, I'm thinking 2014, 2015, and yeah, it sucked because I've been getting a lot of stupid, disrespectful comments on my last video. I had to delete them comments because the guy wants to be an ass. So, this is the Power Kracker 2.0. This is my review. The 2.0 version. I bought this back in 2014. Well, obviously. Hide your kids, hide your watch. You know what? Shut up. Anyways, this is the Power Kracker, obviously. The greatest game machine in the planet! What are we waiting for? Start digging. Okay, that's enough of that JonTron shit. Anyways, right, let's open this bitch. And yes, this is my stickers I got at the video game convention called the Super BitCon. It was back in April of this year. So this is it right here. And it contains a gun, it contains a second player controller, and the console itself. And FYI, I just want to tell you, I'll be playing it on this Vizio television right here. And so the light gun games is no go, Joe, no go. Anyways, let me hook this up. I'll be right back in just a moment. La-da-dee, la-da-da, la-da-dee, la-da-da. This is... hate comments about my freaking video. Ain't that a bitch? Oh, your videos suck. You're not talking about blah blah blah. Shut the fuck up. It's my fucking video. I can do whatever I fucking want. A-hole. Fucking piece of dog shit. And yeah, I'm not using no little, whatchamacallit, video editors, because I want my computer and I don't want it to crash. Because if it crashes, oh gosh, oh my raw, I will be angry. Because this is the only computer I got and I can't go back to my Windows 7. It's slow as a frickin' turtle's dick. No homo, no homo. Right. Now, oh wait, where's my... oh, damn it. Okay. Here we go. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the blue screen. And that's the video game thing. Now, it has what it says. It's supposed to have... give me the box. Motherfucker. It's supposed to have 76,000 games in one. I guess I have to order some takeout food now, I guess. But, here we go. I'm stalling too long. Get it? Stalling. Enough. Okay, it's turned on. Let me zoom. Okay. So, like, I'll show you what I mean. All the games are repeats, unfortunately. Toy Story. Oh, cool. So let's start with Contra, which is number 1 Contra double QE. How do I jump? How do I jump? Crap. back a little. Ah, dead. Fuck it. Okay, World Soccer, no, Tekken. Oh shit, Tekken. What? Karateka. What the freak? What is this? Chinese erotica? Okay. Oh, fuck. Fuck it. Tetris 2. Okay, this is something I remember. Oh, wait, I forgot to put the music on. Shit. Okay, take 2 on Tetris. There we go. And I can't believe Atari made this game. Oh, shite. Well, that was stupid. Right. And the sound chips is way too cheap. Okay, next game, before I have a moment. Super Mario. Okay, this ain't Super Mario. The guy with Armenian hat and whatnot. Yeah, you heard it on my last video. And it says score instead of Mario. And the reason being, I'll be positive. And see this? No copyright. Oh yeah, I get it. Copyright. Oh, boo-hoo. Anyways. 4 lives? It's supposed to be 3. Oh, you know what? No. The memories is coming back with this exact system a couple years back. I'm gonna throw up now. Oh gosh, goodness sake, look at this. The sound. The freaking sound. The freaking sound of this system. Oh my land, this is horrible. This is... Yeah, the music is sound cheap. Just listen. And the death scene, it sounds like a smoker on crack or something. What? Ooh. Yeah, even the deaf tones is, even the camera don't want to keep up. Shitty me. Gonna get killed by that turtle? Koopa Troopers. Ugh! Fuck you! Let's see. Oh, Popeye. Yep. Come here, Bruno, so I can punch you in the freaking face. Never mind. Eat shit and die, okay? Galaga, no copyright, of course. Oh, with the camera. Even the camera don't want to keep up. I'm sorry, JVC camera. I know you hate this shit, but take it for the team, man. Take it for the team. The camera don't want to keep up, but Take it for the team, man. Take it for the team. Okay, part 2 in just a moment, ladies and gentlemen. Lewis Ross, Lewis the Black League 23, over and out.